Scores of KRDO viewers have reached out to us desperate for more information on how people 70 and older can get a vaccine.
Unfortunately, those answers have not been easy to come by. Tonight, KRDO News Channel 13's Lauren Barnes is pushing public health leaders for more information on their vaccine distribution plans. Lauren.
Heather Bart, UC Health seems to have the best access to vaccines in El Paso County so far. I found out today how you can be added to a random pool of patients 70 and older to get one of their shots. El Paso County Public Health doesn't have answers just yet. It's still working with the state to come up with a vaccine plan for people 70 and older. But UC Health has already begun vaccinations for that age group. A spokesperson says they are sending out invitations like this to schedule appointments as they receive vaccine supplies. Patients 70 and older are randomly selected. In Pueblo County, dozens of people caught wind of a COVID-19 vaccine clinic at fire stations, but were turned away.
Yeah, we've had a few instances today where we had members of the public that showed up at our fire stations thinking we would be able to vaccinate them. And I want to make sure everybody knows we do not have any vaccinations at our departments.
He says the fire department is merely providing space for health officials to administer the vaccines, and it's invite only. Pueblo is still finishing up Phase 1A, essential healthcare workers. Pueblo Public Health hopes Phase 1B, when those 70 and up are eligible, will begin within a week.
We are continuing to work through our prioritization, and that includes first our healthcare providers and healthcare workers, first responders. When we get through that group, and hopefully that will be in the next week or so, we will be starting our efforts to vaccinate the 70 and above age group.
They estimate there are at least 18,000 people 70 and up in Pueblo County, and yet the county won't receive that many vaccines in a week or even a month.
And so as you can imagine, when we're getting a few thousand doses or 1,000 doses or a few hundred doses a week, it will take us a while to get through that and continue to maintain giving second doses to the others who've already had their first dose.
Fremont County is also still in Phase 1A. The health department suggests calling its hotline if you're 70 or older at 719-276-7421 to be added to a COVID-19 vaccine waiting list. And if you'd like to be added to UC Health's pool of patients, you can find the link on this story on KRDO.com. Live in the newsroom tonight, Lauren Barnes, KRDO News Channel 13.